Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Chunovek, and to my 20 subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I celebrate my daughter's birthday. All this party pack, I got this in my previous vlog where I tag Ogam series, where she the video where I went to Wuse Market to get some party pack courtesy of Ogam series. So here baby girl and papa is just playing with it, and papa helped me to pack those party pack. Thank you papa for doing that. He helped me to pack the party pack, and which was really amazing. And we're here, we're going to go and get other stuffs we need for the birthday. It's a house party, so we're doing the house party at home, and my nephew decided to tag along with us. Here is the children's play toy shop. We need to look for some toys to add to the party pack, and I hope you keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So it's time for us to decorate the house. I'm blowing the balloon by myself. My brother is also helping out, so we decorated the house by ourselves. I hope you enjoy.
The blood is going to grow more, but in the next 150 years, this is our blow. What the heck? I mean, I'm
So I just woke up now. This is 6:15. Yeah, this is 6:15. So I woke up. I want to support some of my YouTube family. Our decoration is not yet complete. I want to continue decorating. I slept yesterday around 1, maybe 2 o'clock, and yeah. So this is where we are. Let me just show you guys. So this is where we are. The decoration. I've separated some of the, not I anyway. My husband separated some of the balloon. He was really helpful in these things, and this is where we have started. This one. We're taking our just doing it like this. Those are where the balloons are, the ones we have glued. And this one. This is what we have for now. I'll just continue. I'll continue doing the decoration. Today is the birthday party, so I need to finish this so that I can, do my bath, do my makeup, bath baby, dress her up, and get ready for our guest. The food, my sister is taking care of the food. She will just bring it for us. The cake, a friend of mine is going to get the cake for me. Her name is Simply Noni. If I've seen her so many times in my channel, yeah, she's going to get the cake for me. So yeah, alright guys, so I'll see you guys later. See, wait, why is this thing like this? So this is our birthday here. Belinda's channel. Yeah, subscribe to her channel. She has 2 channels. Subscribe to her 2 channels. See her beautiful son here. Hey baby. What are we doing? What are we doing? I should open. Okay, I'm coming. Then here I have my friend. She's a designer. And her beautiful son. And we're waiting for our guys. 2 o'clock Nigerian time. 2 o'clock. We move. So guys, the party has started. The food is here. and the cake is here. This party, I put the party time for 2 o'clock and it started around 4 Nigerian time. See, I don't know why we Africans are like that. When they say they give a particular time, will come in Nigerian time. Nigerian time maybe 2 hours or 1 hour after the exact time. We cannot be punctual, like come early. So guys, we're just enjoying ourselves. The food, my sister cooked jollof rice and salad and chicken, 2 types of chicken for children and for adults. And here is my beautiful friend, Staton sister, a content creator also, Belinda Strennan. You guys have seen her some of my video, yes. And this is her beautiful son, and these are my friends, Sleeping Noni's family. You've also seen her. She's the one holding the camera, helping me out to vlog this, because me, I was quite busy. And this is her daughter, and this is her son, and this is my friend also and her son. So the party has started, guys. This is what the decoration looks like. And my people, our NEPA decided not to show. NEPA decided to take the light on the day of my baby's girl birthday, but there is natural light that does not off. When God gives you natural light, it can never off. Yeah. So yes, fam. We're also waiting for other kids to come around so that we can start the party fully. Or we've already started sharing food because some people were hungry. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. What do you think? In the comment section, let me know. Yeah. So keep on enjoying.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Like, please give the kids first. Yes. Then continue with adults. Huh? It's not connected. What am I? Drink.
DJ, say hi.
Hi, DJ. Why is it entering Spotify?
Maybe the network is slow. The kids, that's too much for them.
Yes, this is for adults. So.
I said the child likes plenty food. If she wake up, she will cry. Now, let me, your friends that came, you've not got them in the video. Yes, baby. Hello. Hi. Cheese, fine boy. Hello. Say hello. Oh, this boy. Eh? Let her sleep so she will not cry plenty. Take.
So just dancing, enjoying myself, dancing for my daughter because she was sleeping. Betty was sleeping. Yeah, so just having much fun. My brother was the DJ of the day. DJ chop food. He was DJ of the day, Jerry. Yeah, so I hope you keep on watching. Thank you all so much for your support, and it's time for game.
competition, if you did not get a chair, you sit down here. If you didn't get a chair, you go out. So the last person is going to win a very big prize and it's courtesy of Mia, the celebrant. Because them, they are going to sing happy birthday for me. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
How old are you now? Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years, many more years to you. Hip hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip hip. Hip hip hip. Happy birthday, Mia. We love you. Do you love baby Mia? Do you love baby Mia? Yeah. Are you sure you love baby Mia? Yeah. Okay, now it's time for our dance competition. DJ, give us song. You will dance round like this. Kiara, come. Kiara, come. Yeah, I will move.
No, it's fine.
Sit down. Mama, you are out. You are out. It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, you win next time. Oh, yeah, I could play another one. Play it for long so that they will not know. Sorry. You are not dancing, you're walking around. Dance. Carry my love away to that place you love. Oh, my woman, I wanna play. Kiara, live there. Come this way. You're not dancing. Dance.
So they kept doing more game of dancing and stopping and dancing. They really enjoyed themselves, and I was so excited I was able to celebrate my daughter's birthday. And thank you everyone that celebrated with us. As you celebrated with us, so your year be celebrated. Everything you lay your hand shall bear fruit. We are so grateful for the gift, for the love, for posting our pictures, for sending us messages, for the prayers.
Everybody's going home.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much for coming. Bye. Where's the taxi
So
now?
here are the pictures that was taken that day. Like, this is a memorable day for us. Thank you all so much for coming, and yeah, I said that earlier on, and God bless you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.